puso po akong nagpapasalamat sa inyo. Uh, Siyempre sa inyong mga dedication, devotion, prayer, everything andyan na po lahat. So, nakikita po yan at nakarecord po yan sa spirit wall. So, una sa lahat pala, gusto ko yung i-explain sa inyo na once na you are wearing this Soheng book na sinasabi nila, hindi lang po, i-wear po siya ng basta-basta. So, before you receive this Soheng book, kasi akala nyo is, ay gusto kong magsuot ng ganun. No, dapat na yung pag-receive nyo po dito sa Soheng book is talagang willing kayo na gawin at sundin. You have to, and you have to be sincere na ang pagsusuot po ng Soheng book na ito is hindi lang pagsuot ng Soheng book. So, ang qualified lang talaga na magsuot dito is yung talagang my desire, my dedication, at my sincerity. So, actually, we are blessed members. So, talagang we are qualified actually to wear this. Pero, ang talaga, yung talagang mag-wear lang talaga dito is yung talagang naka-attend po ng 40 days spiritual workshop na yun. Pero dahil ang mga first generation, they really wanted to wear this Soheng book. So yun, pinagbigyan pinagbigyan po tayo ni True Mother na okay. And then of course, ni-report nag-ask si True Mother kung papayagan po ang mga first gen na magsuot po ng Soheng book. So that's why True Father, okay, give them 3 days and 2 nights. So mag-attend po kayo doon. So ang magiging seminar niyo doon is more on Kumyong-kido. It's resonance prayer. So that 3 days po. So kailangan i-value niyo po yun. Hindi lang po kayo mag-attend doon lang dahil gusto niyo magkaroon ng Soheng book. Because if you wear this Soheng book, totally the gate, the door of the spirit world is already open. Okay, actually open na po siya. But the more na you know the essence, the important of wearing this Soheng book, mas connected talaga tayo sa spirit world. Because if you wear this Soheng book, means you are together with your absolutely good ancestors, your collateral absolutely good ancestors. So, marami yung nag-wear ng Soheng book na hindi po nila alam yung essence, yung meaning. Ang pag-wear po ng Soheng book is you have to keep your mouth. Like, hindi naman mag-keep your mouth, like you have to discipline yourself. If you cannot discipline yourself, your ancestors are not connected to you. I mean, they are connected to you, but not 100%, okay? Because this is a very holy siya, very purified po ang Soheng book na ito. So, especially when you go in the toilet, okay? Pag hindi mo madiscipline yung sarili mo, at andoon ka sa toilet na nakikipag-usap ng mga ano-ano, like nonsense or my sense naman, but you have to be careful, okay? Kasi kung hindi mo ma-promise yung sarili mo, it's better na wag mong i-wear, it's better na wag mong idamit itong Soheng book na ito bago ka pupunta ng toilet, okay? So, kaya kung napapansin nyo, yung mga talagang, yung mga nagpo 40 days like us before na very serious yung mga mukha nila at ayaw nilang magsalita kasi we have to we have to keep that. Yes. So kaya minsan pag inaalis ko talaga yung Soheng book ko pag pupunta talaga ako ng CR, lalo na pag marami akong kakilala, minsan ko rin inaalis ko siya kasi minsan nagsasalita ako nakikipag-communicate ako. So actually yan po talaga, never kang magsusuot ng Soheng book kung you cannot discipline yourself. Okay? Pero dahil nga yung mga first generation, gustong-gusto nila ma-experience yung magkaroon nito. So, true parents, binigyan po kayo ng special na treatment or blessing to attend the 3 days and 2 nights na seminar. So, you have to, you have to remind that yourself na pupunta ako doon dahil gusto ko lang magsuot nito. No, you have to remind yourself na I have to go there, I have to attend this workshop because I really wanted to connect my heart, my soul, my body to heavenly parents, true parents, and also to our ancestors. Okay? Kasi once na nagsuot ka na nito, your absolutely good ancestors are already with you. Okay? Andyan talaga sila. So, kung mapapansin nyo, if you are wearing this during the vigil prayer, at saka you are doing the resonance prayer, the Kumyong-kido, iba yung feeling po ninyo. Pero if you are not wearing this, iba pa rin yung feeling nyo. That's the difference. Kayo po yung makakapag MNS, kayo po ang makaka-observe sa sarili nyo. At totoo po yan. So yun po ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, if you wear your Soheng book, you have to discipline yourself. Okay? Even though marami kang kakilala dyan, nakikita na, hello, hi, pwede yun. Pero kung ano-ano yung pinagsasabi mo, ganun, sa loob ng CR or everything, never mong gagawin po yun. Kasi this is a holy Soheng book. Soheng book means, like, what we are wearing is na purified po siya, na you serve, okay, you committed yourself that you are absolutely following of what heavenly parents and true parents wanted us to do. Okay, so be careful po tayo pag sinusuot natin yung Soheng book natin. Okay, so yun po, hindi lang po siya basta-basta na sinusuot yung Soheng book natin. Kailangan talaga natin i-value ang pagsuot po ng ating Soheng book. So, i-take care po natin ito kasi forever na natin, para siyang holy robe. Pag pupunta na tayo sa spiritual, dala-dala pa rin natin ito. Okay? So, at sa mga gusto naman pong ma-experience yung 3 days and 2 nights na workshop na ito, makipag-connect lang po kayo lagi sa inyong church leader or kung sino ang in charge dyan para malaman nyo ang schedule, and please attend this workshop. It's very helpful to us because this is only the way to connect to our ancestors,